Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can shoot and edit drawing reel for Instagram. So if you want to share your drawing process like a pro on Instagram Reels, this is how I'm going to give you some tips on how to shoot and edit my art content step by step. So first, lighting and angle make a huge difference, so you need to always use a natural light or soft ring light and shoot from above. And you can record using your phone camera at 1080p, either in time-lapse mode or normal speed if you want more control during editing. And for editing, you can use VN Video Editor or CapCut to edit your video. And you can go from raw footage to a polish reel. So this is how you can edit your drawing reels. So you can just open CapCut or VN. Let's say I'm going to use CapCut, and after that you can import the clips. So just tap on your project and import your clips, and you can cut the boring parts. Let's say I'm going to cut the beginning of this. You can use split or just trim your video and delete the unwanted part. If you want to, you can also add transition or zoom effects for dynamics. Let's say I'm going to use zoom. Start from here. You can click on a keyframe, and then you can add another keyframe here, for example, or just zoom it in like this. So it will create a zoom in, a slow zoom in effect just like this. And you can also add music and tags. So music makes it a pop. You can use trending audio or trim instrumental beats and then add captions like "watch this transform." So in here, to add music, you can just tap on add audio sound, and you can use trending TikTok sound if you want to by clicking on this TikTok icon, but make sure that you already link your TikTok account to CapCut. So once you're done with the editing, you can export the result in 1080p and 1620 resolutions under 90 seconds, and you can add a catchy captions and 3 to 5 smart hashtag like drawing reels or art reels. So after that, you can just tap on export in here and upload your reels. And that's how to shoot and edit the Instagram drawing reels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.